Good evening, I'm Brian Tyndall with Chilton Bee Company. We want to show you our little setup on mixing sugar water to feed the bees. We have a new submergible trash pump in the bottom of it to recirc, and a 120 volt recirc pump to agitate with. That helps us a good bit with when we're doing thicker syrup, but now we're doing a 1 to 1.5. And we'll show you how it operates. All right, let me show you how this process works for us. We'll add hot water till we get a level above our submergible pump, and then we'll start slowly adding sugar to it. We'll have both pumps running at the same time to agitate it. It does a pretty good job, best we've found so far, of agitating it, stirring it up, and then when it all gets liquefied, we'll make sure we're up to 250 gallons. That's what our formula 1 to 1.5 is, a 33% sugar. And then after we get this agitated up, we'll transfer it with the pump on the ground to our transport trailer. And on it we have a 100-foot hose and a 12-volt pump that we fill our buckets and 2 frame feeders. This is our transport, where we transport it from the shop, where we mix it up to each yard that we're feeding in. This is another 250-gallon tote. After we get it mixed up, we'll pump it into this one and then haul it to the yards. We got a 12-volt system on it. It's 4.5 gallons per minute. That's enough with the 100-foot of hose on it. Got a diesel hand nozzle, and that's the way we do them right there.